Guys, we're starting on day one of this trip. My guy Quinn back there packing. We've been tentatively talking about this trip for like a year now. It's finally happened. I flew in from LA to London. Actually slept on the floor right there. We have our flight to Croatia. We're taking off in a few hours, so we're about to head to the airport. Also, we'll be traveling for like the next 40 days through Croatia, Turkey, through Spain and Ibiza. So we have a bunch of adventures coming. You got anything?
Let's start this.
It was gonna be an hour-long bus ride. The bus wasn't gonna come for like 2 hours, so we ended up taking an Uber, and now we've been walking for like 30 minutes. It's supposed to be the best cliff jumping cave in Croatia, and see some crazy shit.
What was that? What is it?
It was a fucking spider.
Is it gone?
I hope.
Yeah, just in time.
Not our ideal way of hitchhiking. We were walking and we heard a little noise behind us, and so we hitchhiked. It's not much faster than walking, but our feet are soaking wet and our shoes are soaking wet.
So we'll take it.
Yeah. Cost us 20 kuna, but the best 20 kuna I ever spent. Just kidding, there are many ways I would rather spend it. So we spent 6 hours on a boat this morning. We got up at 5:30 to take a boat to Zadar from Pula. The boat was literally a sauna. There was a baby crying, a dog barking, everything that you wouldn't want in a 6-hour boat ride. Now we are on a bus to Zerchi. It's like a beach party festival island. And then tomorrow we'll get up early and ride 3.5 hours to Split. Again, do it all again.
We've arrived at our hostel in Zerchi. Super dope, but we're not allowed to bring food or drink in. And we went to the supermarket, totally forgot, and so this is what we're doing right now.
Setting up. One right there.
Look at that, look at that. We got our party material right there. We got It's gonna be an interesting time. We got a day party that goes till 8:30.
Then the day party ends, and then at midnight the party starts again.
So stay tuned.
The next day, after partying in Zrća Beach, we caught a bus at 8:30 in the morning after not going to bed until 5:30. And after being miserably tired and hot on the bus, we were supposed to meet up with some people to get on some yachts. But unfortunately, we lost connection with our phones and they ended up leaving without us. So we decided to explore Split on our own and go catch the World Cup final in the town square and experience that proud Croatian spirit and cheer for our new favorite team. Unfortunately, Croatia ended up losing to France 4-2, but had you been in the streets afterwards, you would have no idea. The Croatian people were so proud of their first ever World Cup final appearance, especially due to the fact that there are only about 4 million people in the entire country. For the next couple of days, the streets were filled from day to night with people partying and showing their pride. And I have to say, it was pretty damn fun being in the middle of it all and getting to celebrate with them.
This is what happens when the Croatians can't outdrink the Americans.
After our amazing time in Split, we decided it was time to take a break from partying and go enjoy some nature. So we took a bus first thing in the morning to get to Krka National Park, which was just about an hour and a half from Split. We went early to get there before the crowds because this place tends to fill up fast. Thankfully we did, because 10 minutes after we got our shots, about 300 people showed up, making it unbearable to even be around.
We bought the cheap one, so we're going slow, 15 miles an hour.
We had seen pictures of this beautiful beach called Zlatni. It was ranked as one of Europe's top beaches, so we decided to rent a scooter and take the hour-long ride to see the crystal clear waters and amazing views in person.
Ain't that right?
Great success.
That's how we know.
I just wanted to thank you guys, anybody who's taken the time. Thank you for watching it all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that maybe something inspired you to take that trip to Croatia. It's a beautiful country, so many amazing places. I'm definitely going back. I'll be posting more videos of, you know, the best spots that we went to and just things that we learned along the trip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. Got a bunch of stuff coming. Videos from Turkey, Spain, New Zealand. Stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, message me, whatever. I'm more than happy to help you.